me the grateful people.
Where are the grateful
Where
people?
are the grateful people?
I need to know.
I need to know where I belong. 'Cause I'm one of the grateful people. Show me the grateful people.
Where are the grateful?
Where are the grateful people?
I need to know.
I need to know where I
Come on, put your hands on it. Come on, dude.
grateful people.
Show me.
the grateful
Where
people.
are?
Where are the grateful
I
people?
need to know.
I need to know where I belong. 'Cause I'm one of the grateful people.
Show me.
the
Where are the grateful people?
Where
Come on, I need to know.
I need to know where I belong.
Here we go. Verse 1.
grateful people.
Early morning's rising, just to see another day. Say, I am grateful for life, health, and strength, and for every way He's made. You ought to say, I am grateful for keeping me through dangers that were seen and unseen. You ought to say, I am grateful for looking past all of my faults and seeing all of my needs. You ought to say, I am grateful. I just don't know where I'll be.
You don't have to know the whole story.
Come on.
Just know my God has been good
If
to
you
you.
agree, then help me. Help me.
Show me the grateful
Where
people.
are the grateful?
Where are the grateful people? I need to know grateful people. Show me the grateful people. Where are the grateful people?
Everybody, Daryl Wall.
Early mornings rising, just to see another day. You wanna say I am grateful. Life, health, and strength, and for every way you made. You wanna say I am grateful. Keeping me through dangers that were seen and unseen. You wanna say I am grateful. Looking past all of my faults and seeing all of my needs. You wanna say I am grateful. I just don't know.
You don't have to know the
No,
whole
no,
story.
no.
Just know my God has been good to
Well,
you.
if you agree,
Help me say. Show me the grateful people. Where are the grateful
I need to know if I'm in the right place tonight. Hey, show me.
grateful people? Where are the grateful
I need to know.
Come on. I need all the grateful people.